Okay, auditing and corporate governance.
Audit. I'll explain the meaning of audit. What is audit? What is auditing? Sometimes you may come here also to catch. You can move also. Sometimes you can move also to catch it properly. You can see it, you can move. So you have said that auditing means some people come in the offices and some departments from government and they check the vouchers, whether vouchers are correct or not. It's fine. And that is auditing, whatever your idea. I am just giving the idea for those who do not have any idea about auditing. So for them, preliminary idea little bit everybody may have, but let me tell you. So what you have said, that is actually check the books of account, correct? They check the books of account, or they verify the books of account, or they examine the books of account, or they examine the vouchers. This is auditing, you know. But then, why it is not called checking? Why it is not called examining? Why it is not called evaluating, something like that? Why not? So, why it is called auditing as such? What is audit as such? Because you have said that people come and check the vouchers. So, it could be checking, but the name is auditing. Why? That background. Okay? See, in Latin word, there's a Latin word, you know, English language, Latin language, Assamese language, Bengali language, lots of languages there. In English also many languages have come from Latin language. And in Latin many languages come from Sanskrit again. In Assamese, Bengali, Hindi, language coming from Sanskrit and also other languages. So like that, Odaya, this A-U-D-I-R-E, please focus it, focus. Odaya means, Odaya, this word is coming from Latin word. Remember, please, it starts from here, Odaya, and it's a Latin word. And from Odaya, the meaning is to hear. Odaya means to hear. Sometimes focus, sometimes not. Odaya means to hear. Now, how it is connected with Odaya and here? See, imagine in long back when the kings used to be there, mostly business may not be there, that way kings like that in kingdom, then some people used to record their revenues, books of account, and then that person is accountant. But whatever he records, the king or the business, management, they want that whether these things are correct or wrong, that has to be verified. So he used to appoint another person near him, against him or with him. So the second person used to verify or check whatever is recorded by the accountant, correct? So the second person would ask questions to the first person who record, the recorder or accountant. The second person, another person, he used to ask, what is this? Then he will say answer. How much is paid for salary? He will say something. Then how much is received from, say, revenue? Then he will say something. And whatever answer he will say, the other person hears. Correct? He used to ask, what is this, how much is this, what is the expenditure, what is the voucher, and he used to answer. The account is the answer, and he used to hear it. So that here, and that Odaya. Odaya is coming from here. Odaya is coming from Latin word, the meaning in English is here. From that Odaya, the word audit has come. The word audit has come from the word Odaya. Because whatever he listens, then we say this word. See, I am writing more word. Audio, you know, audio. Then auditorium. Then audience. Then audible. Audible. So many things I can make from the same word. These are not having connection with your subject, but I am just making it interesting. From Odaya only, it's a known word. Audio, you know, audio record. Audible, auditorium, you know, somewhere you sit and hear. Then audience, you know, the people who hear. Then audible means which you can hear. So coming from Odaya. How is it? Interesting? You need not write this in exam for this paper. but I am just making it interesting. For one particular word, so many words are coming. And what, any other word you can remember? Any other word? Yes, one more word. Audition. A-U-D-I-T-I-O-N. Audition, you know, when people go for singing competition, then there is audition. In Guwahati Commerce College, there is audition. No? They will be singing, you will be hearing and judging. So hearing matters most. Today also, you go to court, then you know there is a case between two persons and there is a date for hearing. Both the parties are called and someone says, this is my date of hearing, this is my date of hearing. Then both the parties will be going there, advocate will be there, judge will be there, and everybody hearing. So hearing matters most, everywhere hearing matters most. See, and from that word, when someone is written the accounting, then other person checks it and asks question, and there is some hearing. Some hearing. So at that time, thousands of years back, you can say, this Odaya, from Odaya, see, this hearing is very, very important. And from Odaya, the word audit has come, and auditing has come, and auditor, the person who audits, because there may always a question. The auditing means checking, but nobody says it's checking. Everybody says auditing. What is auditing? Where it come from? From which point it has come from? And why it has come from? All these things may be written several pages in books, but I have made it a capsule so that anybody asks you, what is auditing? It is checking, examining books of account. Why it is auditing? Then we say, sir, in Latin word, there is a word Odaya. Odaya means to hear. And from Odaya, this audit has come. You remember this is for your examination. This I just make it interesting for you. Just I make interesting for you this way written. Don't write this thing, no need to write. So this is all about auditing. Auditing means checking books of account and verification of books of account. Now come to our present business world. When someone makes account, close kori jaako kori.